India and China, two nuclear armed powers with a combined population of 2.7 billion, have been gathering hundreds of troops at a disputed border in a remote area of the Himalayas. It's the latest flashpoint in a long history of border troubles between the two countries that includes a war in 1962 and a dust-up near Bhutan in 2017. The newest tension along the 3,488-kilometer undemarcated border come at a time of growing Chinese assertiveness in matters of sovereignty and as India grapples with a worsening coronavirus outbreak and an economy in crisis. To understand the India-China situation, first we need to understand what is LAC or Line of Actual Control. The disputed boundary between India and China, also known as the Line of Actual Control, is divided into three sectors: Western, Middle, and Eastern. The countries disagree on the exact location of the LAC in various areas, so much that India claims that LAC is 3,488 kilometers long, while the Chinese believe it to be around 2,000 kilometers long. The LAC is poorly demarcated. The presence of rivers, lakes, and snow caps means the line can shift. The soldiers either side, representing two of the world's largest armies, come face to face at many points. The military superpower have been arguing for decades over territory in the high altitude, largely uninhabited region. The confrontation came after tension bubbled up in recent months over a new road India built in Ladakh along the line of actual control which divides the sides. The angered China, which deployed troops and built infrastructure of its own in disputed territory, brings the two sides' forces in closer proximity and heightening the risk of clashes. China deployed troops in three main locations: two in Ladakh, a region of strategic importance nestled between western Tibet and Pakistan-occupied Kashmir. The reason for the maneuver remains unclear, but India's decision in 2019 to bring the region under direct federal control had drawn an angry response from China, similar to that of neighboring Pakistan, which has close ties with the government in Beijing. China said at the time it was unacceptable that India continued to undermine its territorial sovereignty. Recent confrontations are centered on the Galwan River area and Pangong. The situation is serious as China have come into territory which they themselves accepted as part of India, while China takes a different view, saying it's India which have changed the facts on the ground. The border patrols often bump into each other, resulting in occasional scuffles, but both sides insist no bullets have been fired in 4 decades. The traditionally peaceful Galwan River has become a hotspot because it is where the LAC is closest to the new road India has built. According to latest updates, after weeks of skirmishes left scores of troops injured, the standoff entered a new, more dangerous phase in mid-June. 20 Indian soldiers died in a violent clash with Chinese troops in the Galwan area. They were the first deadly clashes on the border in 4 decades. Days earlier, it had appeared efforts to lower the temperature on both the diplomatic and military fronts were working, with the two sides indicating they were pulling back forces while talks continued. If you liked the video, make sure to hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel for more informative videos.